So now let's talk about our original tape-in method. What I love most about our tape-ins is that the hair is actually stitched into our banded area, which means the hair isn't going to be shedding from the weft during the duration of use. So whether you're installing or removing the tape-in extensions, this hair is designed to stay inside of this banded area. Also, another great attribute is our medical grade no slip technology tape. This tape is going to be vital for the longevity of wear time inside the client's head.
Yes, and I love how reliable it is, and it's not gonna slip out of the hair, and it's gonna last anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks.
Absolutely. And if you're not committed to an 8-week mark, we do have our express tape, which is more of a 4 to 6 week hold. Again, same technology. It's not going to slide from the hair. It's just going to be a lot less hardy of a hold. So a little less residue as it comes out of the natural hair.
And I love the fact also too, if you don't want to fully commit, or if you are going on vacation and you want to get extensions done, or if you have more of a sensitive scalp or really fine hair, that is the perfect tape for it.
Absolutely. Because it's a more easy in, easy out, less messy method, it's a really great go-to for a lot of people, especially if you have more color compromised hair, if you're looking at more temporary kind of solutions. So again, that 4 to 6 week mark. And also if you have finer hair, it tends to work a little bit better for them. And also with our finer hair, we also have our single-sided tape. The single-sided tape is really, really great, and it acts as your bottom weft. So typically with our tape-ins, we will sandwich a weft on top with the natural hair in between and a weft underneath. But if that's too bulky for the person that you're putting it on, our single-sided tape will act as your bottom weft, giving you a much thinner application.
I love that.
Also, our tape-ins come with these 2 different removers, our express remover and our oil-based original remover. And these are really great to use simultaneously. You can actually use our express remover to pull the tapes from the natural hair, but you can use our oil-based remover to remove any residue that's left inside the client's hair. So they're very dual purpose.
And they work very well, and they're very gentle to the hair.
Absolutely. We want to make sure that we're always making sure that we're integrity focused every time we install and or remove extensions. So these removers will do a great job.
Yes, I love that. All right, are we ready for the install?
Let's do it.
I'm excited.